Hello guys, it's Miss Benet in America. So I want to be um, okay. Yesterday I went to church for the first time since lockdown, and I got this gift from a sister, a friend, and a pastor's wife. My pastor's wife. So she gave me this, and I've not opened it, and I want us to open it together. Let's see what is inside. So this is the gift. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. Let me see what is inside. I can't wait. If I'm patient, no, I don't usually have patience in oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. This is ogbono. I don't know what other names you guys know it for. But this is ogbono. Oh my god. This is a lot. This one is a big cup. Wow. This is expensive gift, guys. Oh my god, this is crayfish. I don't have crayfish, guys. I'm so excited. The one I have before, she gave me that one before, boys. I finished that one, and now she gave me this one again. This one is a lot. Oh my god, ooh, see this? Wow, this is a lot. I'm so happy, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Alright, let's see this one. Let's see what's inside. Oh no, no. Jesus. In fact, I want to tell you. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my god. This is a lot. She got me here. Oh my god, look. This is a lot. This is a very expensive gift. Look. Oh, oh my god, I'm so happy. Look at this, guys. A very expensive gift I got from going to church yesterday. Oh my god, and she's been calling me before. Oh my god. I'm so happy, guys. I'm just super excited for this gift. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I'm so lucky to have her. Thank you so much. If you're watching this video, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate this. It's expensive. Oh my god. This gift is expensive gift. Thank you so much.